Good morning, students. Here we continue our chapter Measurement of Matter. In last lecture, we see mass of an atom, chemical symbols of elements. Now we want to see our next point, molecules of elements and compounds. Molecules of elements and compounds. Atoms of some elements such as helium, neon have independent existence. It means that these elements are in monoatomic molecular state. See students, atoms of some elements such as helium, neon have independent existence. Means they have independent. These atoms, these elements have independent in nature. So it means these elements are in monoatomic molecular state, means they form the molecules in the monoatomic form. Mono means what? Only one single. Means देखो helium He, okay, helium He, neon Ni, means neon Ne means that is the neon means what? Ne. Helium He means there is a single atom. There is a single atom of that element. There is a single atom in that single atom of that element to form a molecule. Mono means what? One, only one. Means they are using single atom, they form molecular state of that element. Sometimes two or more atoms of an element combine to form molecules of that element. कभी कभी क्या होता है, दो और दो से ज़्यादा एटम कंबाइन होके वन मॉलिक्यूल फॉर्म होता है. Such elements are called the polyatomic molecular state. Such elements are called the polyatomic. Poly means what? More than two. Poly means what? More than two. For example, देखो oxygen, nitrogen are in diatomic molecular state respectively. Means कभी कभी क्या होता है, ऑक्सीजन क्या करता है, अपने दो एटम्स यूज करके वन मॉलिक्यूल फॉर्म करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल O2 मीन्स ऑक्सीजन के दो एटम कंबाइन होकर वन मॉलिक्यूल फॉर्म होता है. H2 हाइड्रोजन, N2 नाइट्रोजन मीन्स दो एटम्स कंबाइन होकर वन मॉलिक्यूल फॉर्म होते हैं. दो मॉलिक्यूल फॉर्म एटम यूज होते हैं तो क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? डायएटॉमिक. क्या बोलते हैं? डायएटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूलर स्टेट. पॉली मीन्स व्हाट? मोर देन टू. Di means what? Two, and mono means what? One. Means here when atoms of different elements combine with each other, the molecules of compounds are formed. When atoms of different elements combine with each other, the molecules of compounds are formed. For example, molecule of water means H2O. Here two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen combines with each other and form one molecule of water. Next we see the molecular mass and the concept of mole. Here molecular mass. What is the molecular mass? The molecular mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a single molecule of that substance. Molecular mass means what? The sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a single molecule of that substance. एक मॉलिक्यूल में जितने भी एलिमेंट्स के एटम्स यूज होते हैं उस एटम्स के एटॉमिक मास की सम मीन्स व्हाट? मोलिक्यूल मास ऑफ दैट एलिमेंट मीन्स मोलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ दैट सब्सटेंस. फॉर एग्जांपल H2O, हियर गिवन H2O. सी हियर हाइड्रोजन के टू एटम्स यूज किए और ऑक्सीजन का एक किया है. तो हाइड्रोजन के वन एटम का एटॉमिक मास कितना है? 1. हियर वी यूजेस, यू सी इन टेबल ऑन पेज नंबर 15. मॉलिक्यूल, वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन वाटर, वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ वाटर मीन्स इसमें टू एटम्स ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड वन एटम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. हाइड्रोजन का वन एटम का एटॉमिक मास कितना है? 1. वी यूज हियर two atoms of hydrogen, so number of atoms in the molecule 2. Atomic masses into number of atoms. Atomic mass of one hydrogen atom is 1 and number of atoms here 2. So 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to mass of the constituent is 2. It is expressed in Dalton. Now see oxygen. Here only one atom of oxygen is used in water molecule. So atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Number of atom is 1. 16 into 1 is equal to 16. Therefore molecular mass means sum of the constituent atomic masses. Molecular mass is equal to sum of the constituent atomic masses, means molecular mass of H2 is equal to atomic mass of H into 2 plus atomic mass of O into 1. Here atomic mass of H into 2 is equal to 2 plus atomic mass of O into 1 is equal to 16. So 2 plus 16 is equal to 18. Means molecular mass of hydrogen water molecule is equal to 18. Molecular mass of water molecule is equal to 18. Here some given atomic masses in your textbook. See here some given atomic masses of some elements. See hydrogen 1, oxygen 16, N nitrogen 14, C carbon 12, K potassium 39, S sulfur 32, Ca calcium 40, Na sodium 23, Cl chlorine 35.5, Mg magnesium 24, Al aluminum 27. These atomic masses are given of that atoms, elements, and see molecular formula, how we want to write and calculate the molecular formula. See here how to write NaCl. NaCl, for example, you see here NaCl. NaCl देखो इसमें सोडियम का एक ही मॉलिक्यूल यूज किया है. एज पर टेबल्स हियर सोडियम का एक ही एटम यूज किया है और सोडियम का एटॉमिक वन एटम का एटॉमिक वेट कितना है 23 और number of atoms is 1. So 23 into 1 is equal to 23. Cl also क्लोरीन का एक ही एटम यूज हुआ इधर. क्लोरीन एटम का एटॉमिक वेट कितना है 35.5 into how many number of atoms here 1 into 1. So 35.5 into 1 is equal to 35.5. You add this. (23) plus 35.5. What is the answer? 58.5. Dalton. 58.5 Dalton. Okay. Means like that you want to calculate the molecular mass of that substance here given. This is your homework. Now see, when chemical reaction takes place, the elements and compounds take part in a chemical reaction and their atoms and molecules that react with each other, and therefore it is necessary to the numbers of their atoms and molecules. Means जब chemical reaction होती है तभी उस chemical reaction में elements जितने एलिमेंट्स पार्ट लेते हैं और जितने कंपाउंड्स फॉर्म होते हैं उसके बारे में हमें इंफॉर्मेशन होनी चाहिए. मतलब कितने हाउ मेनी नंबर्स ऑफ एटम्स ऑफ दैट एलिमेंट्स एंड हाउ मेनी मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ कंपाउंड्स आर फॉर्म हियर. दिस वी वांट टू नो दैट. सो हाउएवर while carrying out a chemical reaction it is convenient to measure or the quantities that can be handled instead of counting the numbers of atoms and molecules. तो how many atoms and molecules form and atoms are takes part in that chemical reaction, काउंटिंग करने की वजह हम लोग how many quantities that can of that element take part in that reaction, it can be measured. It is very convenient. So for this we use the concept of mole. For this purpose, we use the concept of mole. How many atoms of elements or how many compounds, moles of compounds are formed. There's to measure that we use the concept of mole. A mole is that quantity of a substance whose mass in grams is equal in magnitude the molecular mass of that substance in daltons. What is the mole? A mole is that quantity of substance whose mass in grams is equal in magnitude to the molecular mass of that substance in daltons. Mole means what? Quantity of a substance whose mass is measured in grams is equal to in magnitude to the molecular mass of that substance in Dalton. Thus, the molecular mass of oxygen is 32 Dalton, and therefore 32 gram of oxygen is 1 mole of oxygen. Means molecular mass of oxygen is 32 Dalton. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? 32 gram of oxygen is used for use means 32 gram of oxygen means what? 1 mole oxygen. 32 gram of oxygen means what? 1 mole of oxygen. It is very convenient to measure. The molecular mass of water is 18 Dalton. अभी हमने देखा molecular mass of water is 18 Dalton. Therefore, 18 gram of water is 1 mole of water. 18 gram of water means what? 1 mole of water. Here given formula, see number of moles. 1 mole of compound is the mass of that substance in grams equal in magnitude to its molecular mass. The SI in it is mole, and number of moles of a substance N is equal to mass of substance in grams upon molecular mass of that substance. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सब्सटेंस, उस सब्सटेंस में कितने नंबर ऑफ मोल्स यूज़ किए ये हमें कैलकुलेट करने के लिए एक फॉर्मूला दिया है. व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला? मास ऑफ सब्सटेंस इन ग्राम अपॉन मॉलिकुलर मास ऑफ दैट सब्सटेंस. ये फॉर्मूला यूज करके हम लोग नंबर ऑफ मोल्स उस सब्सटेंस में कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द एवोगाड्रोस नंबर. The number of molecules in mole of any substance is constant. We see that the number of molecules in 1 mole of any substance is constant. For example, we see that water, number of molecules in water, for example, oxygen का देखा हमने, oxygen का 32 ग्राम molecular mass means what? 1 mole of oxygen. Substance मतलब number of molecules in 1 mole is a constant. The Italian scientist Avogadro did pioneering work in this contest. Therefore, this number is called Avogadro's number and is denoted by the symbol Na. Later, scientists demonstrated experimentally that the value of Avogadro's number is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. A mole of any substance stands for 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Just as a dozen has 12 atoms, a century has 100, and a gross has 144 atoms. Means like that, 1 mole means 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. इटालियन साइंटिस्ट एवोगाड्रो ने क्या किया? वर्क करके उन्होंने एक कांस्टेंट नंबर फाइंड आउट किया. जैसे कि इसीलिए उसको क्या बोलते हैं? एवोगाड्रोस नंबर. उस नंबर इज आइडेंटिफाइड बाय इज हिज नेम एवोगाड्रोस नंबर एंड द सिंबल ऑफ दिस नंबर इज Na. And after that, so many scientists demonstrated this experiment, and Avogadro's number is also constant. This number means 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 means 1 mole substance stands for the 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. जैसे कि देखो 1 डजन बनाना बोले तो हम लोग 1 डजन बनाने में 12 बनाना जाते हैं. 100 बोलेंगे तो सेंचुरी बोलेंगे तो 100 आइटम्स आते हैं. ग्रॉस बोलेंगे तो 144 आइटम्स आते हैं. वैसे ही 1 मोल बोलेंगे तो 6.22 इंटू 10 रेज टू 23 आइटम्स उसमें आएंगे. 23 1 mole means 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. For example, 18 gram of water contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of water. 1 mole of water means what? 18 gram of water means 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of water. Now see, molecular mass of CO2 is 44, and how many molecules are there in 66 gram of CO2 we want to calculate here. You know that the molecular mass of CO2 is 44. Now number of moles in given is equal to mass of CO2 in grams upon molecular mass of CO2, means 66 upon 44 is equal to 1.5 mole. It means that 1 mole of CO2 contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules, means 1.5 mole of CO2 contains 1.5 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules equal to 9.033 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Okay, here we stop here. Next point is our valency. We see in next lecture. 9th standard students, you know, anyone not doing homework, you do homework. Now take some questions here. Write the molecular formulae. Here given some molecular formulae in your textbook, page number 51. You want to calculate molecular mass of that elements. Molecular mass of that elements. Now write the second question. What is the Avogadro's number? What is the Avogadro's number? Write the formula for molecular mass. Write the formula for molecular mass. Okay. Thank you.